These might be the cutest cupcakes you'll make this year. Cocoa Banana Easter Cupcake. Soft cocoa banana cupcakes topped with fluffy mascarpone cream, caramel drizzle, and little chocolate eggs on top. They taste like banana bread, chocolate cake, and banoffee pie all in one bite. If you want a festive dessert that's easy to make but still looks impressive, then these cupcakes are perfect. Let me show you how to make them. Preheat your oven to 175 and line a 6-cup muffin tray with paper liners. Start by mashing one ripe banana in a mixing bowl until smooth. The riper the banana, the more flavorful and sweet your cupcakes will be. Add your sugar, melted butter, and egg, then whisk everything together until the mixture looks glossy and well combined. In another bowl, sift together your flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the banana mixture and fold gently until just combined. Then add a splash of milk to loosen the batter slightly. You want a smooth, thick batter that's easy to scoop. And remember, don't beat up your batter. Mix gently once you add in the flour. Overmixing can make the cupcakes dense instead of soft and fluffy. Fill each cupcake liner about 3/4 full. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until the tops are set and a toothpick comes out clean. Once they're out of the oven, let the cupcakes cool completely before decorating. If it's too warm, the cream topping will melt, and believe me, it won't look like a nest. And now for my favorite part, the topping. In a mixing bowl, combine mascarpone, whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Whip everything together until soft peaks form. The texture should be light, smooth, and fluffy. Perfect for piping. Stop whipping once the cream holds shape. Over-whipping mascarpone can make it grainy, so be careful. Pipe a generous swirl of mascarpone cream on top of each cupcake. Instead of a tall peak, try making a loose roll so it looks a bit like a nest. Finally, time to decorate. Place 3 mini chocolate eggs in the center of the cream. Finish with a light drizzle of caramel sauce on the top. And that's about it. Cocoa Banana Easter Cupcakes. Soft cocoa sponge, creamy mascarpone topping, sweet banana, and glossy caramel. Guaranteed to disappear quickly at the Easter table. Let's try it out. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at it. Careful with the nest, though. The mascarpone cream really balances out the sweetness. Beautiful stuff. If you make these at home, tag us. I'd love to see how your cupcake nest turned out. And tell me in the comments, what came first? The chicken, the egg, or the nest? Subscribe for more cocoa recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy baking!